Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see decision statement next type, that is like a switch statement. So now we need to know what is a switch statement. Okay, so here in Java, switch statement execute one statement from multiple conditions. So you are going to give multiple condition, in that one statement is used. It is like an if else if ladder. Okay, so this switch statements, it will work with byte, short, int, long, enum and string. Okay, so you can use like you can use this switch statement to test the equality of a variable against some multiple values. Okay, so here what all you should know when you are using the switch statement. So the first condition is there can be n number of cases. So there you can have n number of cases. And second point is the case value must be like the switch expression only. Okay, it does not allow variables, it allows only the switch expressions. Okay, and third one is the case value must be unique, it cannot be duplicate. Okay, so here the case should be unique, it should not be duplicate. And next one is the case value must be switch expression type. Okay, and next as I said, you can use this for different like data types. And in switch statement you can use the jump statements like break and continue. Okay, mostly you will not be using this continue, you will be using break. So here when the case matches, you can use the break. If you're not using the break, what it will happen we can see. And in switch statement we are having a default case. So default case means this case value, if you are keeping default means it will execute if case matches or not, like the default is going to execute. So what is the syntax of this? So the syntax of switch statement is you have to use switch off. Okay, so in this you have to give here the expression, and now you can give case value 1. And next here you have to give the code, and then you have to give the jump statement break. Similar way case value 2, like this you can just give n number of values, and last you can give the default case. So default case, this code will execute if all the cases are not matched. If all the cases are not matched means only this default case will execute. So according to this expression, which value matches, that code is going to execute. That is what the switch. For example, if I've given switch of 1. So here if I've given switch of 1, case 2, 3, case 3, like this. So here this one matches with which case, only that code will execute. If this is 2, then this will execute. If I am giving 5, it is we don't have any case 5, then the default will execute. This is how a switch statement is going to execute. So we can see one example how the switch statement will execute. Okay, so here you can see like for example, this is the expression, and this expression you are having case 1, case 2. So for simple example, if it is matched means this is going to execute the statement and break. This is, you just imagine this is a end. Okay, so it will. So if it is matched, it is going to execute the statement, break, come out. So here If this is not matched, unmatched means it will come down and it will come to the end. This is how the flow of the switch statement will be. Okay, so now we can go for one example. So here I am just going to give life in days equal to 5. So here I am just giving the switch of like days. Okay. So this is my expression. Next case 1, I am just going to print system dot out dot println of Monday. Okay, so I am just copying this and pasting with different cases. So here you can see I have given 5. So days is 5. So if 5 it will come. So this 5 where it is matches, that is going to execute. So you can see here now I am just giving Friday, it is going to execute. So 5 is matched. Okay, because it is last. So I am just giving 2. So let's see. It should give an output Tuesday. But let's see what it's giving. It's giving what? 2. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So why it is giving like this? So here after matching this you have to give a break. So if you are giving a break statement, in this situation Tuesday alone will execute. Else it will, after matching, the rest of the condition will execute. For that only you are using break statement in switch. Once the case matches, it should come outside and it should, if you are not giving the break, what will happen? After matching also it will go and check for some condition whether it is matching. Okay, so this is what a break jump statement is used for. Once it is matched, it should break and it should come out of the condition. If you are not giving the break statement, it is going to execute the remaining cases. So if this cases is not matched, default will execute. So if I am giving something under default like so I need to change the value, right? So here it is 2 because it will. So instead of 2 I am just giving 6 because we don't have the case here 6, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. Okay, and default is there. So if I am executing 6, first it will compare with case 1. No, it is not matched. Case 2 not matched. 3, 4, 5 it is not matched. Then it will come. So no cases are matched, so the default will execute. If cases are matched, the default will not execute. So you can see if the cases are matched, the default will not execute. Only the matched cases will execute. So this is what a switch statement. So when you should use a switch statements are used to execute one statement from multiple condition. It's similar like if else. Instead of using if else, you can use similar switch statement when you want to match one condition. Okay, thank you.